We manufacture PAX wardrobes for IKEA exclusively. We purchase all the raw materials, and then it's pretty much a case of pouring them into one end of the factory and complete packages coming out at the other end. Mainly the same packages that the customer then buys at the store. My main responsibility here is to manage our robots and ensure that our orange-colored friends are feeling well. There are 30 robots here in various steps and lines, as it's called, and our capacity is approximately 7.5 wardrobes per minute. This translates to 2.6 million wardrobes per year. We run a continuous operation 7 days per week and 24 hours a day, so we have high demands on our machinery running when we need it. There's never the option to catch up. Today we have 30 robots, and with remote service on all 30, soon to be 31, a new robot is on its way. All stops in production cost us money. It's as simple as that, and something we want to avoid. Remote service spells security. We have continuous support and backup from Marcus at ABB and the other guys that work there. Some time ago, someone from ABB support called me personally to tell me that we had a problem with a robot cabinet with a fan. Being here, I could immediately verify this. I went out and checked the cabinet and could identify the fan problem, so they sent us a brand new fan. And this is just a small example of how remote service is valuable for us. I don't have to call them about problems. ABB calls us to tell us about them. This is absolutely the best way, and we've got constant backup from them, since they're logging us all the time. It's like an insurance. We insure ourselves for availability and help as needed. Since this is new to us, we feel that we need this assistance from ABB. It feels safe to know that if and when the day comes when we have problems with a robot, help is available. And we can focus on our core business, which is to manufacture furniture. ABB produces the best equipment in the world. It's as simple as that.